fashion takes over. There is always a right and wrong way to dress for work. Dress properly, and you'll go home happy. Dress incorrectly, and you might end up in the hospital. What is the right way to dress? It depends on the task you need to do. Take the worker near machines with moving parts. Here's their fashion for that. Short sleeves, no rings, watches, or jewelry. Skirts and pants should be fitted, no flares. This fashion is about safety, not trends. It could mean the difference between life and death. Why? Clothing with flares, ruffles, or long puffed sleeves can get caught in moving parts of the machine. If this happens, the person may be undressed in an instant in front of everyone. The same goes for jewelry. Rings, chain bracelets, even earrings can get caught and cause injury. That's why anyone with long hair must cover it. Long hair can get caught in moving parts of machines. The person could lose their hair, or even worse, their scalp. Gloves are in the same category. Wear them to protect your hands. But never when working with machines with moving parts. In these cases, gloves don't protect, they destroy. However, if you need to move stones, rough objects, sharp items, chemicals, or wood, wear gloves. But you need to pick the right glove. The one that's perfect for cutting meat could be dangerous for electricians. The metal mesh will conduct electricity. A heavy glove may be perfect for some jobs but could carry corrosive chemicals to your hands in others. If you're unsure, ask which glove to wear. For some jobs, workers must dress like astronauts. It's better not to be stylish, but know at the end of the day, you can change into something more comfortable. Protective footwear is one of the most debated items of clothing. Often, workers don't know what protection is needed, but they ask for safety shoes without knowing what they really need. There's a wide variety of footwear for different tasks. It's advisable, but not mandatory, for all workers in factories to wear footwear with some protection for their toes. The safety department is responsible for advising the workers on what protection is needed. Many jobs need special protection for the face and eyes. When a new worker arrives, they are made aware of this need. Some resist, but it's better to wear glasses, face shields, or necessary protection than to need a white cane for the rest of your life. The supervisor must convince workers to wear the required personal protective clothing. Workers must understand that protection is not just a new fashion. It's life insurance provided to workers by the company.